back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Uttar Pradesh's capital Lucknow for 2 days, which is now being seen as a big push for the BJP ahead of crucial state elections early next year. By the end of the week, the Prime Minister would have spent 4 days in Uttar Pradesh. He inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway on Tuesday, and so it was in Sultanpur and also in Mahoba as well as Jhansi this week. We have my colleague Alok joining us. Alok, Modi's visit is being seen as a big push for BJP before Uttar Pradesh's polls. What's on the agenda over the weekend in Lucknow?
Sorry, Divya. Really sorry. So you're absolutely right that while ostensibly the Prime Minister's visit to Uttar Pradesh is for official engagement, which is the top police conference that we are speaking about. But at the same time, the very fact, as you pointed out, that he spent 4 days in the past week, he would have spent 4 days in the past week by the end of his visit in Uttar Pradesh is significant. Also significant is the fact that, he's made this announcement on farm laws repeal in the middle of this hectic UP schedule that he has this week. Now, obviously, that was timed, as we reported, to make things less hostile for the BJP, perhaps in Western Uttar Pradesh. His current visit to Lucknow is over 2 days. So today morning at about 9-10 a.m., he will reach the police headquarters here in Lucknow. His official schedule says that he is going to spend the entire day at that conference interacting with Director Generals of Police from different states. He may speak at some point of time officially, of course. He leaves briefly in the evening to go back to Raj Bhavan where he is staying, and then he returns for a dinner. Tomorrow also his schedule says that he's going to be at that conference all day, and then he'll leave for Delhi. But obviously once he is in Uttar Pradesh, there will be, maybe perhaps off the media's head, there will be some political meetings that he will attend, or at least he will, speak to the BJP UP top brass, discuss the way ahead, especially after that announcement of the intent to repeal the farm laws. So interesting that the Prime Minister and the BJP pushing so hard in Uttar Pradesh. Remember that Amit Shah, the Home Minister, is also here. He was in Varanasi last week. I was reporting from there, where he held what many called a masterclass of the BJP ahead of the polls. So the BJP is going all out to try and retain UP, a state where they won big in 2017, and they want to do the same thing this time around. The opposition, of course, is saying that it doesn't matter, and at the end of the day, the BJP hasn't really done enough in terms of farm laws, or their intent to repeal it came too late, etc., etc. So this is what's happening in Uttar Pradesh right now.
Right. Thank you so much, Alok, for joining us. We will keep tracking the story and keep coming back to you for more. The Prime Minister in Lucknow today as well as tomorrow.